If an app updates in the background, but no one opens it to find out, did it really happen? Though notifications started out as a convenient way to notify users of background updates, they've grown to become a powerful, standardized shortcut to interact directly with apps in a lightweight way. Starting in Jelly Bean, rich notifications were able to include actions, which let you define 2 or 3 specific actions to perform on the data included in the notification. Lollipop added new template types for notifications along with heads-up notifications. As a standardized UI designed specifically for conveying timely information in limited screen space, they are an obvious mechanism to use when Android expanded into wearables with Android Wear. Suddenly, the rich notifications you designed for phone and tablets make your app wearable compatible, for free. Nougat changes the layout of notifications to always show the app posting them. The new API allows for inline replies to notifications, similar to Android Wear, as well as specifying custom layouts for heads-up and big notifications. The best part is that the Android support library wraps almost all of these platform differences with an easy-to-use API. But don't overdo it with notifications. There's a fine line between useful and spammy, and it's only a couple of clicks for a user to disable your app's notifications permanently. So check out the link to the design guide on notifications.